Today I'm going to show you a strategy that we use in the classroom, and it's called part, part, whole. Part, part, whole teaches you or your student how to add two one-digit numbers together. Okay, so you'll see at the top of the part, part, whole chart, you have the number 6. And we've given you on the sheet, we've given you 1, 2, 3, 4, or one part of the number 6, which is our whole. Okay, and so one strategy we use is to count on. And so what we'll have the students do is to count the counters, starting with the ones that are given to them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then count on until they get to 6, 5, 6. Then the student should know that they have added 2 to the number 4, which then gives them the whole number 6. Now let's try the part, part, whole with a 2-digit number. The 2-digit number whole we're going to start with is the number 10. And this is often where we start out with a first grader, is learning how to count to 10. So if you've noticed, we've given you the whole and we've given you a part. So the student will then take their counters and they will add to the chart, starting with the counters that we've given them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The student will then be asked, how many counters did you add to the mat? And they will then take their marker and they will say 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals their whole, which is 10. So the next strategy I'm going to show you is a number line strategy to help the student to add 1-digit or 2-digit numbers. So when we have here is a number line, our number line goes from 0 to 10. The student is then given a number sentence. So the number sentence I'm going to give the student today is 2 plus 3 equals, and they need to find out what the whole is, 2 plus 3. So the student should know that we start out with what we're given. So we're going to start out where 2 is, and we're just going to simply make jumps to get to the number of the add-in. Okay, so we're going to jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 more is going to give us our whole number, which is going to be 5. The student should recognize that this jump here equals 2, and then 3 more jumps altogether equal 3. 2 plus 3 more is equal to 5 whole jumps. Here's another example of how to use the number line to add 2 one-digit numbers together. I will give the student this number sentence of 4 plus 4 more equals. Make sure that the student writes down the equal sign where it needs to go in the number sentence. So I will start at the given number, which is 4. We've already made a large jump to the number 4. Now we're going to make 4 small jumps to show movement on the number line and how we're jumping to 4 on the number line and adding 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. The student should recognize that we made one big jump to 4. We've then added 4 more small jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 plus 4 more is equal to the number 8. You can find these number lines and these part, part, whole mats on the website called www.teacherspayteachers.com, or you can just make them at home for yourself by simply drawing a mat and drawing a number line from 0 to 10 or from 0 to 20.